Hello, friends. Welcome back. Now we are going to talk about one more technology which is useful for day to day life as well as business life. And that technology is also called as cell phone communication technology. So, as far as this new technology is concerned, we are going to talk about cell phone technology, which is very much popular among all the stakeholders. It is also popular in our day to day life, and it is also popular for business life. When you want to understand the importance of cell phone in communication in business life, we need to understand how it can be done. It can be done by using three different modes. So those three different modes are wireless communication, verbal communication, and text messaging. So as far as those three aspects of cell phone communications are concerned, if you look at the first one, that is wireless communication, I'm going to explain you in a brief manner. Gives flexibility to stay in touch without any location constraint. So there is no question of having a specific location for doing this kind of communication. Wireless means what? There is no need to use wires for the purpose of communication, and this is what this kind of communication technology is called as wireless communication technology. So here it gives a huge flexibility, as well as it is very popular because it is flexible according to the situation, it is flexible according to the location also. So there is no constraint of location as such when we go for wireless communication. Then moving on to the second one, that is verbal communication. So here we go for verbal communication with the help of cell phone communication technology. Verbal communication is more effective, as we guys have studied, than the written communication. We prefer verbal communication rather than uh, non-verbal communication, or we call it written communication. So we can do this verbal communication with the help of cell phone communication technology, and this is the most important and most popular kind of communication technology among the users, and even business organizations are also using this technology in their business activities at large. And the last one, that is text messages. It shows that even short messages are also important in business organizations. This used to go for bulk messages for informing about the products, for informing their customers about new changes which are taken place in the field of communication. So this is what text messages are preferred. Even in our life also, if we want to save, if when we travel somewhere, instead of direct calls, we go for text messages. And definitely those short messages or text messages are also important for all types of business organizations. So short messaging service is widely used for small messages. And even every business organization, they are also using this technique as a tool for marketing, or text messaging service as a tool for marketing. They make their they make their customer aware about new schemes that they have launched, new product that they have launched, and through this kind of messages they make their customers aware about everything. So these three types of things can be done in cell phone communication services or cell phone communication technology, and those three are totally popular. We all are using those things in our day-to-day life as well as business life. So there is no second opinion about it, as we know that it is very popular, it is very good for all of us, in a brief that I can say like this. So those are wireless, verbal, and text messaging. Moving on to the next one, and there we are going to talk about the next technology that we use in our day-to-day life, and which is very popular. And nowadays we all are using this, even in education sector also we're using this technology for the purpose of communication, and that is none other than teleconference. So what is this teleconference? Let me tell you. Teleconference is nothing but what? The conference which is conducted because of the telephone. or the conference which is conducted with the help of telephone or mobile phones. As we know that we guys are conducting n number of conferences with the help of cell mobile phones. Even we guys are also doing teaching and learning activities with the help of telephone. And whenever we go for a conference with the help of telephone or with the help of mobile phones, it becomes teleconferences. So there are different benefits. There are n number of benefits of having telephone conference or teleconference. So what are they and which are they? Those are also we are going to discuss here. It allows live exchange and mass articulation of information among several persons and machines remote from one another but connected by a telecommunication system. So if you want to go for that, you can connect others by telecommunication system. It reaches at mass level. It is a live exchange conference. So these are the benefits, and with the help of this teleconference we go for n number of things. There are certain benefits of having teleconference, and you guys are conducting n number of teleconference in a day, so you know what are the benefits of teleconferences for yourself. At the same time, you guys have to think about what sort of benefits are there for teleconference for the business. Even if we use this kind of teleconference technology in our business, so what sort of benefits are there that you guys have to note down, that you guys have to write down at home, and you people have to send it back to me. Then we can understand what it was or what it is exactly. And as we know that there are n number of benefits, there are n number of advantages. At the same time, there are certain disadvantages also. But when we ignore the disadvantages of teleconferences, automatically we can also understand the advantages of teleconferences in brief. Also known as teleseminar. With the help of this teleconferences, we can also conduct a number of small seminars. So this teleconference is also called as teleseminar, and there we go for a number of small types of seminars, and through those seminars we can make a progress, and those are useful for the business activities. See, whenever new products are emerged, whenever new products are launched, whenever new things are done by the organizations, and if they want to make aware their customers, their suppliers about it, they go for this kind of teleseminars for a short durations, and those can be done with the help of teleconferencing or teleseminars. Then can be done without the aid of computer. There is no question, there is no use, there is no part of computers can be used for the purpose of teleconferences. It can be conducted with the help of telephones, it can be conducted with the help of mobile phones. So there is no question, there is no role of computer as such in case of teleseminar or teleconferences. So without the use of computer, we can go for teleconferences. So that is the greatest benefit. If you for that you need to carry only your handset or telephone handset, or what do we call it, mobile handset, for the purpose of conducting teleconferences. So this is the greatest benefit as such for the every business organizations regarding the conduction of teleconferences. I hope you guys have understood the benefits of teleconferences and the concept of teleconference in brief manner, and same thing will be there for the video conferencing also, but there we use computers and there is a need of having computer. Before going to see video conferences, let me have something whatever we have seen so far. So we have talked about telephone communication or cell phone communication, and nowadays everyone is having cell phone, and with the help of cell phone we can go for a number of activities in the business organizations also. And similarly we can go for teleconference with the help of cell phone, and this is a bestest way of conducting conferences without using computers and other devices. Only one device is enough to conduct conference, and this is what this kind of conference is called as teleseminar or teleconference. So there is a no role of computer, only you need to have your device of mobile or mobile device, and that way you can conduct your teleconference. So we have done with cell phone communication technology and teleconference technology, which is used in today's business. I hope you guys have understood the concept of teleconference, as well as you guys have understood the concept of cell phone communication here. Moving on the next concept in next video. Till then, take a break and see you soon for the next video. Bye bye.